Hello, everybody. It's Stephanie with Coco. If I could talk, Coco and Allie Boutique Crafting Page. We are going to be making a beautiful wreath. I'm so excited. So we're starting with this wreath form and some of the tulle from Dollar Tree. And so this is so simple. You're just going to start by attaching your tulle, and I'm going to attach it to the center bar right here. With just one of these pipe cleaners. And then you're going to just, do a poof to the center of the next section. Because you see how this is split into sections, like from here to here is a section. I'm just attaching them right here in the center of each section. And I'm making it into a poof. So every time you attach it, just use one of your little pipe cleaners that you cut in half. Alright, so when you get back to where you started, just attach it and cut your tulle. Okay, so then I'm going to put this aside for just a second, y'all, because I got to show y'all how to do this next part. Okay, so then what I did, I prepped all of these before I came on. So I just cut me some pieces about like that of the tulle. And you're just going to scrunch it up like that. Do two of them together. And then you take ribbon of your choice. I cut up a bunch of different ones, but whatever ribbon you choose, and cut it to your desired length. Oh, that one didn't get cut right. And I dovetail all my ribbon, y'all know that. It's just what I prefer. And then lay it across your tulle, kind of crisscross. And then I've got some smaller pieces too that I do this with. And then take all that and scrunch it up too on top of your tulle. And then take you a pipe cleaner and leave it long for this. Don't cut it in half for this part. And twist. Put it up around there and twist it. Like that. And see how I left my pipe cleaners long? I'm just going to go ahead and attach these, and I'm going to attach them to the center rung on here. Just twist them all on there. Okay. And then once you get them all twisted on there, you can fluff your ribbons out. So that's what I have so far, y'all. Is that not gorgeous already? Okay. The next thing we're going to do is, I have this little gem that I got at Dollar Tree. It's going in the center. See how it's got the two holes where it had the hanger on it? I'm just going to put, I've got some, I think I've got red. Yeah. Or maybe not. Oh, yeah, I've got red. I'm going to put a red pipe cleaner through there. Okay, no, I don't have red. I thought that was red at first, but it's not. That's okay. I'll just use orange. Nobody's going to see it anyway. And I'm just going to cut this in half and stick it through the little hole. So just go up under all your stuff, figure out where you want it attached, and twist tie it on there. Okay, so y'all see, and see how cute that is? It's hanging, free hanging. So that's what we have so far. And now I'm going to make a big bow to go up top. And I'm going to use the same ribbons that I used for my big poofy, my poofs that I added. Decide how big you want your bow. I know I want mine to be pretty big. And then just take your ribbon and fold it over on itself. So that was 1, 2. I'm going to do 4 times. 3. 4. And then cut it. All right, so now I've got my 4 ribbons cut and laid on top of each other like that. Now I'm just going to cut, well, I better fold it in half before. Fold it in half, find your halfway point. And then you're going to cut a little notch. See how I did that? On each side. And then I'm going to take one of my pipe cleaners. Want that to be the front. Okay. And put it around this. You know, have it going through your little notches. And do it, you know, get it as tight as you can. So once you have it like that, then you can just fluff out your bow. Okay, now I'm going to go around to all my little ends and dovetail them. Okay, now let's attach this bad boy to our wreath. See how I left that spot open right here? That space? That's where this is going. And I'm just going to attach it to the wreath form. Y'all look at that. And guess what? We're still not done. I have all these little trucks and some pumpkins that I want to stick on here. So I'm just pulling these pumpkins off the stem. Again from Dollar Tree. And then I'm going to use my little red trucks. So I'm just going around, y'all, and sticking these in the center of my little poofs. Y'all, I'm in love. Everybody have a good evening. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, you guys. Love you.